Hey, and welcome to Crazy Gamer Models. I am the Crazy Gamer, and it is Update Monday. This is what's going to happen every Monday. There's going to be an update and a look at what's going to be coming up on the channel for the week ahead. So we're going to do Monday as beginning of the week, and we're going to look to see what's going to happen from tomorrow and Sunday through Sunday. So first of all, on Tuesdays and Thursdays, there's going to be tool reviews or kit reviews. I know a lot of people don't like looking at the sprues, but you're gonna look at the sprues, and there's gonna be build reviews to the kits we look at. So that's gonna start. Wednesdays is my building technique series, where I'm basically doing a build review of a Tiger One with clear parts. We have this and this. When you see Wednesday's video, it's not going to be this far along, but it, it'll get there. It will get there. So I basically focus on the different techniques of building that I use. I'm no expert, and I'm not guaranteeing my techniques are the best, but they are my techniques, and they seem to work for me. And if you have a better way of doing things, leave a link in the comments on the videos, and I'd be glad to try different techniques. Tomorrow's video, we're going to be taking a look at my next model that I'm going to be building, that I'm going to be starting out. It is, I just dropped it. It is the Panther Off-G late production with IR and air defense armor. This is going to be going together very shortly. I'm going to squeeze it in. I was going to squeeze in an aircraft, but instead I'm most likely going to squeeze this in because I've been whenever since I saw this, I've been wanting this. I just think it's cool. The laser guns on here, I don't understand, but I still think the tank is cool with the IR and the anti-air protection. Also, there'll be a look at this Revell level 5 Platinum Edition Tiger 2 with full interior. This is pretty similar to the ICM kit. So if you've never done an interior and you're looking for an interior kit that's not too complicated and not too tough, those ICM and Revell kits seem to fit that bill. They seem like they're gonna do pretty well. Also, recently I posted a video on my rotary tool here. Well, I got some more accessories for it, and I got the angled bit working, so you can hold it and go in there and straight up and down. Also, what I thought was pretty cool is I got a drill chuck that uses cullets that I can put a drill bit in, and it runs perfectly true, and I can control the speed of the drill as I drill holes with the foot pedal because of the variable speed. But there'll be more on that in the videos I use it in coming up. On Friday, we're going to take a look at what all we've done this week. And then on Saturday is going to be the next installment of the Ag Tiger build. And on Sunday is Panther Sunday. So we're either going to take a look at the progress made on the Panther late that I'm doing, which has had a lot of progress done. I got a lot of the little bits painted. So we'll go through that on Sunday. And also on Panther Sunday, there'll be a little bit of bonus feature of the Berg Panther because I got a little bit more done on the Berg Panther, and I'm going to be using it as a test bed for different things. I have the top hull, upper hull all stripped off of the paint, and I've glued on all the tools and track pieces. I'm going to put some more stuff on top, and then I'm going to spray it with the new Mission Models paint. And hopefully I'm going to do some spraying stuff so that you can see how I do that. Correct me because I'm not really good at it. My channel's not designed to be a tutorial. It's basically my journey through trying to get better at my craft. I have always built prototype pieces out of PVC, CPVC, Polypro, and Kynar pieces on big machines like mills and lathes, all manual with digital readouts. But due to injury, I am unable to work, so this is what I'm doing now, scale modeling. I thought it was going to be more similar to the engineering aspect that I was used to and that I loved. It's kind of like that, but I actually kind of enjoy this a little bit more. I look forward every day to waking up and doing scale modeling, which is something I did not enjoy doing before. So, like I said, on Saturday is Yak Tiger. We got a little bit more done on that. There'll be a video for that, and that's basically it for what is coming up for the week ahead. That is, basically the schedule that's going to run every week. Mondays is going to be this update style where I talk about, I'll throw in some tools that I got recently, maybe do mold in a mailbag with it and things like that. But really nothing came in. I got these little carbide bits from a dentist supply shop. If you guys get your burrs from a dentist, I mean, that sucker's pretty cool. That'll do some small cuts, let me tell you. But I'm so happy with this variable speed foot pedal controlled polishing tool that I'm going to do another video on it coming up that shows off all the features on it, because you can use it to cut clear plastic parts out. You can use it to buff clear parts and things like that, and it seems to work pretty well for that purposes. I moved some things around in my area. I got all my mission model paints right next to my airbrush where I can get to. I'm going to be putting this right here. This Dunkel.grab. Can never pronounce these German words. It's the MMP19. It's the 1944-1945 color. I want to be putting that on the Berg Panther. I got some cool wheel stencils for the Panther A. We're going to get those painted up and all that good stuff. So stay tuned and check back. Also, if you visit my Patreon page, the link will be in the description below. I do tool reviews of tools on there, and Patreons get them a week early, whereas everybody else will get them a week later. So you have early access to tool review videos between 1 and 2 a week of a pretty cool tool. I do a review on it, trying to make it kind of nice for you guys. So you can check that out, but after a week, it's going to be on YouTube. So, but that's it for this. I was hoping to do 10 minutes, but I didn't get there. But that's okay. I'm not going to keep you any longer, guys. For Crazy Gamer Models, I am the Crazy Gamer. You guys have a great day.